or I'm recording. I'm not gonna get your face in it, I promise. I'm holding a light with my thing. Is this locked? Go ahead and...
My friend Stephanie's supposed to go to work. How can she go to work in this?
I know.
I wouldn't go. I would not go. I would stay home.
If I can get this open
There's no way that I would leave my house to go to work.
Yeah, in this condition,
Yeah, it's too dangerous.
it is very dangerous.
And you know where she lives, where they've got all them trees and stuff.
Oh yeah, she's got pretty big trees out there. Oh crap.
Yeah, when you go all the way.
Well, the door just shut on me, apparently.
Yeah.
Alright, give me just a minute. Status update. A generator. Yeah. Kick right back on. Alright. Very windy in Atmore. I sound like a meteorologist right now, but whatever. I'm gonna be called stupid for this, but you can see it's really not too good. Not the best cameraman, but all the some of the neighbors' power is off. There goes the gust. Be best for me to get back inside. I don't want to be hit by any flying debris. I don't want to be hit by flying debris, yes. We just had a gust here. A lot of our neighbors' electricity is out. As you can see, there is no power and there is a house, so 41 miles. It's 41 miles per hour where he is. Who is that? He's down there, yeah. He's at our house, yeah. Yeah, 41. Anyways, I'm gonna keep recording as long as possible until the worst gust comes in, but as you can see, it is not good here in Atmore. It is very, I'm recording on a phone right now, so don't mind me if it's not the best quality, but yeah, a horrible gust right here. We have a light right here. All our neighbors' electricity is off, but I'm gonna test. A lot of our other neighbors on the other side of the block are fully restored with electricity, and I'm just gonna keep recording as long as possible until basically something really bad happens. Well, not too bad. If a tree falls, I'm going inside. And there goes the wind gust. I think power just go out.
Oh, let's go.
Power's going out. Power go out. It's flickering, but
Come on, let's go inside.
there we go. I don't know how our power is still back on. Neighbor's power has been off for about, how long has the neighbor's power been off? About 30 minutes?
Oh, no.
Longer?
Yes, I'd
Say the neighbors,
3 hours.
probably about an hour and a half. 3 hours?
We've been in and out.
Yeah, they have been. Some of the neighbors down there, you can barely see a light, but a lot of the neighbors down there are out of power, and I think some of the neighbors down there on the block have power, but
Oh, she won't, okay.
no, right here recording. I'm at my grandma's house right now. The garage door is shaking. About over. I think.
I'm coming, Daddy. I'm coming, girl. I'm coming, Susie. I'm coming. Come on, let's go.
He said it was 41 miles an hour.
Yeah, that's what he sent me.
Oh, you talking about?
That's how bad it is. I hope you enjoyed this video. Sorry for the background noise, but yeah, that's gonna be my first. Here comes another wind gust. Can't see crap, but hope y'all enjoyed this video. I tried to record as long as possible and get anybody who watches this video a few information about what it's like. Now, it's not a big hurricane, but I tried to get y'all at some of the worst parts of it. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Bye.